Alright, so here's how you can do it. So as always, you have to go to Fast AI Image Designer. But now, under AI Design Agent, you see a new option called Consistent Character Storybook. And this option, when you click on it, you will get now two more options. I would say three more options. The ability to direct your story, the ability to upload your own character, the ability to create front page cover, all automatically. And this is the best, this is the most requested thing, right? So now let's see how can you go from a character image or just from a blank idea to a fully finished storybook with your character, with your story, and even in your language, okay? So I will even start with character creation, right? Because a lot of people struggle there. So for that, my best suggestion is go to AI Art Illustrator. That's the best option, yeah? Now, pick the style that you want your storybook to be in. Pixar, flat, manga, mystic fantasy, whatever it is, right? Let's say I do manga, yeah? I say a girl wearing cowboy hat, yeah? And then I say a girl wearing cowboy hat in the garden. I want to create a story about a girl, and I can even be very specific, like a 9-year-old girl. I keep it 1:1. I do 4 quantities and I generate. Now, the whole idea to generate this, guys, is basically to get the character images just like these, yeah, as you can say, these images, right? Because every time you probably have seen when they're creating the story, or sorry, movies or series or whatever, they start with the characters, right? They start with the story or they start with the character, right? So we gotta start somewhere. So this thing looks okay. This looks good. This is a good starting point to go with, yeah? Now, what you need to do is go to AI Design Agent, yeah? Go to Consistent Character Storybook, okay? Create a new storybook. Then here you need to, if you already, by the way, if you have already created a image, you can drag and drop here, right? Straightforward. But we already created it in Artistly, so you can choose from library, and I will click on this. Now the magic happens, right? What's the type of the story that you want to create, right? Is it fiction? Is it science fiction? Is it a ghost story, comic, fairy tale? I want it to be a fairy tale this time, yeah? How many pages? For the time being, let's say 10 pages. Which dimension you want? Let's say I want in 4:5, yeah? Now let's say story summary. I say girl lost in the forest, yeah, lost in the forest, mystical energy helped her navigate, come safely to her house. Pretty easy story, right? Something interesting, yeah? Now here's the magic. Now, a lot of you have this issue with the question, hey Yash, we struggle with front. It would be better if the front page cover or the book cover gets created automatically so that we don't have to kind of, do all the prompting, go back and forth. Now it does. Meaning you just need to mention your book author, whatever the pen name that you want to go with. And if you have already kind of finalized the title of the book, you can just put in there, right? Or you can leave it as it is. Artificial intelligence, AI, will automatically kind of understand your story and will do the job for you, right? So in this case, I would just let it do its job, but I would say my name, by Yash Sharma, yeah? And I generated the storybook. Now what's gonna happen? It's gonna follow my direction as if I'm the director of this movie, yeah? It's gonna give me all the pages fully illustrated with my character consistent throughout every page, and I just have to wait a few minutes and everything will be ready. All right, so as you can see, there you go. Now these images are being created, including the cover, including the pages and the entire story, right? Now, couple of questions, right? Couple of things I want to mention here while this is being generated. Some things that how can you now basically get from images to a flipbook or whatever it is, right? So what you have to do once you are in personal design here, yeah, you need to scroll down, and these are little tabs you see, right? Consistent character storybook, script to storybook, kid storybook, right? These are tabs. These are clickable tabs. When you click on these, you will find a new button called create flipbook. Now that's where the magic is, right? Because as soon as you click on this, you will basically, it will, let me just show you for the images that are already created, right? It will open up that option called select story, right? Now what it will do, guys, is when you click on select story, it will select the pages in the right order for you automatically, all the pages, yeah? So you don't have to go one by one in the perfect order. You don't have to do anything, right? And then here in the bottom, you will see the option called create flipbook. Now here, you get the option to pick the language, give it an actor, give your storybook the voice. You have the page template. You have the ability to upload the front cover, the back cover, and all the good stuff here, yeah? So let's say page template, right? I like to go with blank, but you can either upload the one that you like, or you can generate using AI, yeah? Now I'm just gonna I'm just gonna go with blank. You can choose from library, yeah? Now basically this is the front cover, right? So let's say my cover should look like this. Let me just go there. Okay, like this, right? I pick it because with this feature, your front cover is going to get automatically created, yeah? And I'm gonna do generate flipbook. That's it. That's all it is, right? And then my flipbook is gonna look something like this. Perfectly consistent pages, page by page by page, throughout the entire story. Same character story, but in your language, by the way, it is in German. Whichever language you select in, it will come under that, right? And I just want to make sure that a lot of you guys have questions. Where can I find these flipbooks, right? You can find them under, like, you see personal designs, right? You can find them under my flipbooks, yeah? You can delete them, you can sort them, you can create new, whatever it is, right? Now, another thing I want to make sure, I want to actually share with you, which a lot of I see that a lot of you are not actually utilizing that properly, and I want you to start utilizing it, right? Is basically now you can get rewarded by sharing your storybooks publicly online on the internet, right? Because if I show you, right, if any, like for example, right, this is the storybook, right? For example, now in this case, what's gonna happen, guys, right, is you can actually see the storybook and share it. Now, when you share it with the world, right, when you share it on the internet, people can they don't have Artistly, for example, right? They just can view it, right? They can view it. Okay, this is a nice story. Wow, love it, love it, love it. Wonderful. This is great. Perfect. All right. Either they can, they can share it again with that link, or they can cancel it, right? They can cancel it out and come and do their job. When they actually cancel it, guys, because they don't have Artistly, right? They're not gonna come to the Artistly app dashboard, right? Obviously, because they don't have the image. They don't have the logins, right? By default, they are going to go to basically the Artistly website, right? So if they're interested, they want to if they're interested and they're like, okay, I like this, I also want to grab this, I also want to do this, they will go and purchase Artistly. Now in this case, if they go to Artistly website, how amazing it would be. Imagine that when they go to the Artistly website, they go using your link. So every time you share storybooks public on the internet, you get rewarded every time. How powerful is that, right? And that's where the feature, if you come inside my flipbooks, you will see called affiliate link. And here, if you paste, I mean, by the way, for those of you who are not sure, we will post in the comment section down below, you know, the process to kind of get your own affiliate link. It's a 3-step process, very easy. And you can put your own affiliate link, save it. Now, every time when you share your flipbooks publicly on the internet to anyone and they are interested in purchasing Artistly, they will automatically go with your affiliate link and you will get rewarded every single time when they get it. Like how powerful that is, right? Because you're sharing your creations, they're loving it, they want to use it, they want to get their hands onto that, and they can also you know, they can also kind of use it. I mean, you know, and that's the best thing, right? Because we never know if you share it on, you know, I don't know, if you share it on, let's say, Facebook or Pinterest or Reddit or just in your groups and whatever it is, you don't have to tell them, like, you don't have to like, oh, let me give you the link, you know, you can get it. Okay, boom, cancel it. They will go to the Artistly website, rerouted with your link, and yep, that's a win-win, right? Now let's see our creations, right? Because by this time they should be created by now. All right, let me just check it. All right, so let's see how they came out, and look at these. Now they came out really, look at this shot. Like, it's actually shot like a movie, right? Pretty powerful. Now, as you can probably notice, as you're probably noticing here, there are few things that it kind of didn't take it properly, and I actually want to show you where, how, you know, some best practices, right? Number one, if you see it kind of take that half image. Why let's understand. Because of your character image, right? 80% of the time it's not gonna do that, but that 10% of, like, the 20% of the time, or that, you know, that rare edge cases where, because it does not understand, it's gonna keep your character image the same. So always try to give the full body shot, so it can learn full body shot, right? Was what we call it, right? Full body shot, so it can kind of understand your character entirely. Number one. Now, oh Yash, the story didn't come out good. I mean, sorry, the cover does not come out good. What should I do? No worries. Should not be an issue. You gotta now entire prompt, yeah, to go with. So all you gotta do is copy the prompt, go to design assistant, then go to photo editor, then go to, you know, your, let's say, your character image, and let's say pick the same aspect ratio and paste the prompt. As simple as it is. And you can do it multiple times. You don't have to worry about credits because you are using Artistly, right? The idea here is, guys, basically you can create as many variations as you want, as many you know, chances as you want, and sometimes in the first try it does not come out good, but look at the text, right? The text came out pretty good. And okay, now there's the thing, right? Lily and the Whispering Woods by Yash Sharma, and it came out 2 times, right? So either you can you know, you can remove this, again go to the photo editor and you can remove it, but it gives you a really good base frame to go with, you know what I'm trying to say? And same thing, right? I created this cover, right? I went in to say, okay, I want to keep everything the same, but just change that the hidden glow to the mystery light. Boom, that did that. And the same thing I'm gonna do it for this, right? What I'm gonna do, again, design assistant, photo editor is your savior, guys, okay? As I'm saying, photo editor, choose from library. Okay, so I'm gonna do for there are, let's see if we can understand. There are 2 by Yash Sharma. Remove the bottom one. Let's see if you can understand it, right? That's the idea. I mean, if it does not, you can always remove the object, or you can run through the prompt again. Let's run through the prompt again, right? Just to see variations and then whatever it is, right? So let's go to design assistant, photo editor. I want to pick the character, right? Always go with full body shots. So for the AI can understand, 4:5, and generate. And it should do the job. And okay, Is your images being done? Yes. Let's see. I'm gonna just refresh it. Alright, let's see. Alright, there you go. Okay, interesting. So it kind of didn't understand where it asked to remove it, but look at that. This one came out really good. Lily and the Whispering Good by Yash Sharma. Perfect, there you go. You know, but the third chance, second chance, you got it. So I mean, it's the play, right? It's again the way you direct your prompt, the way it's gonna come out, right? And I think this is really good. Now, to convert it into a flipbook in your language, let's say I want to do it in Hindi, let's say, or let's say, you know, I don't know, let's say I want to do it in German. How can I do that, right? Again, so you are in personal design, right? All right. So now what you have to do is you have to click on consistent character storybook, right? And you have to click on create a flipbook. You have to click on select story. Automatically all the pages will get selected. Create the flipbook. You can choose the languages from here. So let's do it in English for now. Yeah. You can now select the voices if you want, right? Like basically you can turn on the listening mode and you can have these, you know, talking storybooks, right? That guides, that basically keeps kids glued to the story and then kind of walk them through the entire story as they repeat it with the actor. You know, that's one of the things that I see most. I'm also using it with a lot of my you know, basically neighbors. You know, they have babies and stuff like that. They love this feature, right? So basically baby is kind of, it's like 3-year-old, you know, they have a 3-year-old boy and it's like 3-4-year-old listening to it, you know, learning through that, and then it's also following. It's amazing, right? Just for that thing is going into his or her head, basically, instead of just doom scrolling on reel. It's far better, right? Why not we do that? So that's the thing, right? So they love Artistly, so that's why we had this feature, you know. I should give them a credit. They gave me this idea and a lot of you guys actually agreed for that. I said, okay, let's ship it, you know. Anyways, so I go to blank, choose from library. Basically this is a front page cover. I get the cover, yeah. I do generate flipbook. And there you go. It takes few seconds and your book will be ready just few seconds. You can download it, as I already explained. You can add your affiliate link to that. So whenever you share your stories, your books on the internet, you share it with anyone, the moment they close out of that, they will be redirected to the main page using your affiliate link, you know. So every time kinda you share your storybooks, get rewarded, right? So it's something great thing to have, right? So that's the thing. And when you click on read, boom, there you go. Your flipbook is ready. Boom. Lily loved to explore. The deeper she goes, she soon found out that sun began to set. You know, shivering just as the tears started to well, a soft glow came. It danced around, felt like a strange. The lighting led her through the winning path. Finally, the mystical energy flicked and faded away as she saw, and Lily was safe at home. There you go, you know. And we just like, it was a very tiny story, right? Where you can do 20-30 pages, right? And a full, like I would say like a full episode, you know, of a cartoon character. And this is just the, you know, this is, what do I say? This is like storybook creation on steroids, I would say, you know. Because now your imagination, you are the director of your own movie. We can say that, right? You are the director of your own storybook. Create it, sell it, share it, whatever you want, you can do that, right? That's the power. So let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you have any questions. Now we'll go back, now we'll come to all your questions, and I hope you got a lot of value from this, right? So let's see your questions and take it from there.